Hello guys, I'm speaking from Manish Bhawdas Academy, and today I'm ready with another topic. In today's topic, I would like to discuss with all of you about determiners in English. First of all, let me tell you the definition. Determiners are those words that are used before nouns to determine their meanings. Types of determiners. There are four types of determiners. First, articles a and the. Second, demonstratives this, that, these, those. Third, possessives my, your, our, his, her, its, their. Fourth, quantifiers some, any, much, many, little, few, less, etc. Now first I would like to discuss with all of you about articles. First of all, let me tell you the definition. An article is a word that is used with a noun to specify grammatical definiteness of the noun. There are two types of articles: definite article, the, and second one is indefinite article, an. The is used before plural and singular nouns, and it is also used for specifying a noun. So always remember that the can be used before plural and singular nouns. It can also be used before superlative degree, and it also specifies a noun. And as far as the pronunciation of the is concerned, before consonant the pronunciation would be the, and before vowel the pronunciation would be the. A is used before a singular noun which should have a consonant sound. A is always used before a singular noun, and always remember that before a consonant sound A is used. N is used before a singular noun which should have a vowel sound. So if there is vowel sound and if you find a singular noun, always use N. Now you can understand through examples. Here I have given some examples. He is an artist. I saw a man there. They are the workers of this company. He is a very good batsman. They are the best players of this team. Note: for more details, please watch our articles in English grammar video. Demonstratives. Definition: this determiner is used to demonstrate the identity of the thing referenced by the following noun. It describes about the distance of any noun or things. Types of demonstrative determiners: this, that, these, those. Examples: this is an elephant, that is a good car, these are nice people, those are working hard to cross the river. So if you want to determine something about the distance, or something about any noun, like the closeness of the noun, approximity of a noun, then you will have to use demonstratives for that. Now I'll talk about possessives. Definition: a determiner which describes about the possessions of a thing or anything. So sometimes say it is my pencil, it is your book, it is his dictionary, it is our house. So these are possessives determiners. So here you can see the chart. I have made the chart. There are some personal subjects are there, and possessive adjectives are there, and possessive pronouns are also there. Now quantifiers. As far as definition is concerned, a quantifier is a word or phrase which is used before a noun to indicate the amount or quantity. List of quantifiers used with uncountable nouns. First, much. How much water do you have? So if there is uncountable noun like water, Before that, you will have to use much. A bit of, I need a bit of advice. Little, I have a little problem. A great deal of work was done by him. A large quantity of oil is found here. A little, there is a little mistake. Very little, you have a very little problem. A large amount of, ocean has large amount of water. So here you can see that quantifiers tells about quantity or amount, and it is related to uncountable nouns or countable nouns. Now used with countable nouns, these are the quantifiers which are used with countable nouns. A majority of people came. A great number of people supported him. Several people came there. Many students want to join this school. A large number of leaders gathered for the summit. A number of students appeared in this examination. Few students came to join classes of mathematics. A few supporters came. Very few people liked the show which was presented by you. So all these determiners are important, and if you have good knowledge about determiners, you can use it while writing or speaking in English. And there are some other determiners which are used both with countable and uncountable nouns. All students are making noise in the classroom. Enough, I have enough support. None came to assist him. Some people like it. More, I like more movies. Most, he got most of the shares. Lots of, I have lots of solutions. Less, you have less with power. Least, he has least knowledge. Any, have you got any book? Plenty of, I take plenty of water per day. So guys, if you do practice of these determiners, I'm sure you will be expert of these determiners, and it will improve your written power as well as your spoken power. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share now. Take care. Bye bye.